Doors opening on the right.
Thank you. Seating here. Okay. Good morning. How are you?
You gotta go. That's a GoPro.
DJI. Hey guys, this is a really quick room tour. I'm at YOTEL. So you have a space right here. Good counter space, little mini fridge, storage area. Then we have a large mirror, super cute, full length, love that. TV. It's like there's one. Okay, so I couldn't figure out how to get the light back on, but I guess you gotta touch mix and then select the color, and then it kind of just highlights the room. This one is changing. I think that's super cute. But yeah, the room. The shower situation I did not like at all, only because the water literally goes everywhere. So elevator action. The lighting in here is elite.
Lights going up.
This is a really cute hotel. I do enjoy it. The location is nice. We have a church here. Let me show y'all what the lobby looks like. And a vending machine. This water saved my life this way.
She'll catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV bed turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watch, how you did that? You hit some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? How you get like slash, how I kill a cat, yeah. Hopping around the two to make back pillows in the back. Too many brothers in the fully acting, someone gon' get wet. How you gon' get me? You still owe me, how you gon' do that? Snatch a real bag, give a nigga yak attack. I get my shoot away, meat and cheese and that's the rat. Ain't night time but you a tango, how you do that shit? Me and Glenn, I'm fuck the single, how you do that, baby? Shit, I catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV bed turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watching, how you did that? You hit some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? They hit your man, you ain't get no stranger, how you live with that? She fucked the hood, how you lay and have a kid with that? Margiela go toast, but she hook up, yeah, I did that. Kick more shit than judo, and she like, I how you get that shit, you got a man and on your hoe. Let me be sick, bitch, I'm too rich to drive a road. Pop my shit like plumber, me and gun and diamond flesh. I'm gon' ball out summer, just all grinding for a month. Love how about dumb shit, catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you
Give me a sign. This can't be life if there's a point to losing love, repeating pain. It's all the same. I hate this place, stuck in
This one I bet you with the jabata. Me, I no get